Just a quick trick about cast iron. Remember back in the day when you didn't have a microwave oven? Yeah, I'm that old. How do you warm stuff up? Well, let me show you. Get out your favorite cast iron skillet and get a little pat of butter. Just drop it in there. Turn this on. Put that on the fire. Just move that butter around. So we have the lemon pepper that I cooked the other day. You might want to check out that video. We're just going to heat some of it up the old-fashioned way. Then you start to hear that sizzle. That's always a good thing. That should probably be enough. And we'll just let that heat up that way. Pretty simple. It works. Cast iron, one skillet. That's all you have to do. Just keep moving it around. Man, that looks nice and hot. Let's check it out. Steam rolling off of there. That's what we want. That's how we did it in the old days. That's how Mom and Grandma used to do it. Just heat your food up in a cast iron skillet.